So it's been raining all morning. It's mid-afternoon now. Just got my D-week tag for Jersey. And normally when it's raining, we finally got a break in the weather, by the way. So it's just drizzly now. Sun's trying to come out. Been raining all morning. So normally when the birds are wet, they like to go to fields, open areas, being that everything's quiet. So they're trying to use their eyesight more than anything. So they go to an open area so coyotes and stuff don't sneak up on them. And this is my plan right now. We got a bunch of private fields, farms up here, and I'm on the edge of state land just trying to riddle some calls out there. And they either go to logging roads or fields normally when it's really wet. And if they don't have field, it's logging roads normally. Or they just get up into some thick, super dense cover so they stay drier, essentially. So the plan is just to work this giant square basically of state land and call lightly, because it's a little windy too right now. Call lightly and hopefully get some gobbles. Most birds hens aren't hammering out yelps, so just putzing around, doing some light yelps and then throwing some cackles, cuts in there. So we're gonna see if this works. Got birds right here. I don't know how far. Get my stuff and set up real quick. All right. Sounds like they're pretty close. Hopefully I have time to get my decoy out. Well, just like that, you go from a terrible, tough season to a bird down and birds gobbling everywhere. Sweet. Oh, there were definitely some longbeards in that group, but I wasn't missing that opportunity this time. Let's go check them out. Well, there we are. It's been a tough season, and cannot be happier with this guy right here. So it's got a Jake fan, but it's got like a 4.5 inch beard. But I'll take that. We try not to shoot Jakes, but they do eat the same, so I cannot complain right now. Came in gobbling, put on a show. Beautiful bird. State land, New Jersey, D week, last ditch effort, baby. I'm Mike with Obviously Outdoorsman. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, check us out on Instagram and all the other platforms. That's it, guys. Maybe I could pull one out in New York. Last ditch effort. See you next time.